Alright, here we are with part 4. Just gonna pick right back up. I'm here with BlacKitsuneYuki, and this is Tomb Raider. And we're trying to get out of here. We're just finished communicating with one of our friend dudes on the walkie-talkie. And looks like we're going stealth mode again. And now I'm out of arrows? I thought I had full arrows.
That's what I thought.
Should I?
Oh, no, you're not. We just upgraded our ammo capacity.
Should I? Should I?
Yes,
doing
go
it. I'm
shoot.
doing it. Come on, stop.
Oh.
No. Are you serious? Look at this mess. What am I supposed to do now? Ow. Oh no. This was a mistake. Oh, get wrecked. Come on. Oh my goodness, I hate this. This is so dumb.
People up to the right, yeah.
How are these people living these shots? Is he alive?
Yeah,
Oh
he's
my
still
goodness, come on. Alright. I got him. Alright. This guy, well, it started all the trouble. Oh, he's got like flaming arrows. That's not fair. Did I get him?
Yeah.
Alright. I think that's all of them. That was easy.
In theory, that's a bad idea.
Yeah, because I would be trapped in here and I would burn to death.
Yeah. Oh, careful. Flashlights are up ahead.
Yeah, I see him. Ooh. You wanna take out that bow, Laura? You wanna... Okay. Oh. Got this. Okay, now the button is X. How does that... that guy is terrible at his job. How did he not notice that?
Do you want to shoot him?
Yeah, I figure while they're not moving, if I can pick them off. Okay. We got 2 guys here. Oh. There's just no way. There we go.
To your right.
Yeah, okay, I'm getting the hang of
There
this.
you go.
This isn't bad.
So it's, maybe it's
Oh.
just the gun.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no. I was doing so well. Oh. Oh.
Molotov.
Oh, Laura. Run away, Laura. Run, Laura. Laura.
No, you,
No.
you went the wrong way.
How did I go the wrong way?
Because it was on fire.
Lame. I gotta do this again.
Yep.
Can't loot you. I gotta deal with this. Oh, Laura. Laura. I'm gonna die. Where did you come from? Oh,
That
was
would've
luck.
been bad.
that was so lucky.
Yeah, because it says jump towards him. You didn't have to click a button, so if you jump towards the zip line, you'll be fine.
Oh, good enough.
Ooh,
What is this? What is this now?
crawl up. Oh, I would have done like the whole
Oh.
Spider-Man thing. You know, like put your arms and legs, push and go.
She's Laura Croft. She knows what she's doing. She's got this.
Man, if it's raining and you're trying to run up that or climb up that, you'd be slipping.
She's Laura Croft.
Right.
But he can dual wield.
Oh, he's probably gonna die, and you're probably gonna get his guns.
I'm fine with that.
The wolves took my food pack. The transmitter from the lifeboat's in it. If we don't get that back, we're not getting off this bloody island.
You need bandages, morphine, antiseptic.
Morphine.
You need morphine.
No. Oh, don't do this to me, you northern bastard.
Well, I think it's about time to loot him and just leave him there.
Take all his crap.
Wolf tracks.
Wolf tracks. Uh-oh.
Did you not see the one he just killed?
Apparently not.
Oh god, what am I doing?
What am I doing? I'm probably gonna get yourself killed.
What are you doing, Laura? Grab his guns. I
Pack.
just got 10 XP for standing.
You have to hop up there and grab the pack thing.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Well, this sucks. I don't want to do this. Wrapped string enables a faster fire rate. Oh, okay.
Robin Hood right here.
Yeah, there we go. We're getting Legolas up in here. What? What?
Nothing.
Okay, there's too many avenues here. Where am I supposed to
You're
go?
going up to the right.
Up there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. Apparently there's some
A loot
a
box.
heavenly beacon there too. I'm gonna light my torch in the rain.
Because physics.
Physics.
Wait, aren't you supposed to set the Buddha
Oh yeah.
thing on fire?
Yeah.
That's not Buddha. Very angry looking thing.
I don't care what it is. It's on fire now.
Are you just loving how you're jumping?
Yeah. I'm so nimble. Maybe I can climb this wall. This sheer cliff. Oh, that looked promising
That was
for
very
a second.
promising. Go to the... Oh, stairs! Go in the water.
I want to go in the water. I'll lose my torch.
There's plenty of things you can light
I
it.
think I'm gonna fall down there if I go in the water. Alright, well, we're making progress, I think. I don't know what that just did.
Jump on the crate.
These ruins. Kamakura period.
Ruins something, period.
Was all this part of Yamatai?
Yamatai. Boy, there's a lot I don't remember from the first two parts that we recorded. Can I ram into it?
I
Nope.
don't know, but you lost your torch.
Ah. Is there fire up here? Oh, wait, what's this?
Arrows.
Arrows. Let's see what's over there.
Okay.
Alright, come on, Laura. Dun, 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 dun.
Maybe
Oh,
not.
Laura, you biffed. Okay, well, we didn't fall too far at least. Oh, bad stuff's happening. Oh. Oh, wow. That was sloppy, Laura. Oh.
Oh, there goes
Oh,
your torch.
Laura. Laura. That would be lightning. Oh.
That sucked.
Yeah, that was close. Oh, is this a tomb? Am I gonna raid this tomb?
No,
'Cause I'm a tomb raider?
I don't think so.
Oh,
You're going to a den.
oh. I'm raiding this tomb.
No.
My torch.
It's a
Did
den.
a wolf run through here?
Yes.
Got this. Got this. This torch is not lighting up a lot.
Pack. That's all.
I just want the pack, that's all.
I don't think they speak English, though. Oh, no. Is that it? Are we good?
Don't you have health packs?
I don't know.
Got it.
No.
Some stim packs.
I've got to get this back to Rob.
Okay, now you have to get out of here without getting eaten.
This is, yeah, I don't see that happening. Did I come this way? No, I came from this way. Come on, you let me in here. You can at least let me just leave. Nope. Oh, I hit X again!
You should just start assuming
Gosh.
why. Let's play a game of how can we kill Laura? Or Lara. It's Lara, isn't it?
I don't know. There's a U in it, so we're gonna
No,
say
it's not.
There isn't?
No, it's Lara. So it's Lara.
Lara.
No, it's Lara.
Lara Craft. Get wrecked. No,
X.
okay, now it's X?
X. Keep spamming it. Why?
Okay, so when it shows that...
Why?
Oh, okay. Can you die? Can you die?
She got a knife.
Goodness, I don't know. Glad
Take
you
it.
have one.
Take it for its pelt.
No, I gotta get out of here.
Why? Take it for its pelt.
Oh,
Where are you going?
pelt. There. I got a pelt. Here we go. Whee! Good job, Lara.
Really?
Lara, create. Lara.
Stop it.
Where am I going?
Going down.
I'm going back to that guy, right?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Not what I was trying to do.
You go Assassin's Creed on us.
Yeah. Altair over here. No, I told you to...
Just
Oh,
drop.
no. Drop, Laura. Laura. Yep.
Oh no.
Oh,
How are you
alive.
alive?
Oh, I got this. I'm Lara Croft.
Eat the chicken. Kidding. Okay. Can you salvage it? Oh.
I can. Look at that.
Right.
Right.
Let's get you patched up.
Let's get you patched up. Guy whose name I forgot.
Roth.
Roth? Yeah, that guy. You know, Lara, I've always kind of liked you.
That's gross.
Bad. You can do it, Laura.
You can do it, Lara.
You're a Croft.
You're a Croft.
I don't think I'm that kind of Croft.
Sure you are.
What kinds of Crofts are there?
You have
Just
one.
don't know it yet.
You just don't know it yet. I don't know what kind of accent I'm doing, but it sounds terrible. Especially with my stuffy voice.
Sounds like a drunk Scottish.
Well, let's happen my fast
Well,
way.
he had a lot of morphine, so.
Drunk American Scottish.
Always kind of liked you, Lara.
Be careful,
Stop.
Laura.
Just be careful.
Stop. So you'd be okay? Like, there's a wolf den nearby.
He's probably not going to be okay.
You might want to give that.
Axe climbing? Oh no.
Huh?
I don't want to.
You have to.
I don't want it. But, we're going to save that for next time. I don't think I want to do that right now. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.